So next we can do a problem. Mean and variance of a binomial random variable are 16 and 8 respectively. Find p of x is equal to 0 and p of x is equal to 1. So first of all, what is given? Mean and variance. What is the mean? It is NP. Okay. What is the variance? It is NPQ. Okay. So NP is 16, NPQ is 8. How will you find these parameters N and P? Then only we can find P of x is equal to 0 or P of x is equal to 1. So we can divide. Okay. Or NP is 16. We can substitute this NP. NPQ is 8. So what is NP? It is 16. Q is equal to 8 or Q is 8 by 16. Okay. Q is 1 by 2. So what is P? P is also 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So NP is 16. So what is N? It is 16 by P or 16 by 1 by 2 or 16 into 2. It is 32. So N is 32. Okay. So what is the distribution P of x? NCX, P raised to x, Q raised to N minus x, where x is 0, 1, 1, etc. up to, what is the value of N? 32. Okay. So we can write it as 32CX 1 by 2 raised to x 1 by 2 raised to 32 minus x, or it is 32CX. It is 1 a raised to b into a raised to m into a raised to n. It is a raised to m plus n. So adding x plus 32 minus x, we get 32. Okay. So this is the distribution 0 up to 32 p of x. Then first question, p of x is equal to 0. That is, we have to put x is equal to 0. So it is 32C0 1 by 2 raised to 32. 32C0 is 1. So 1 by 2 raised to 32. So this is the value of p of x is equal to 0. We can find the value as decimal using calculator. Okay. And then what is p of x is equal to 1? It is 32C1 1 by 2 raised to 32. It is 32 into 1 by 2 raised to 32. Again, we can simplify this answer. Okay. Then another problem, second one. In a binomial distribution consisting of 6 independent trials, probabilities of 1 and 2 success. Probabilities of 1 and 2 successes are 0.28336 and 0.0506 respectively. Find the mean and variance. Okay, in a binomial distribution with the 6 independent trials. So n is equal to 6. What is given? Probabilities of one success is, probability of one success is 0.28336. That is P of 1. Number of success is 1. Okay. So let P be the probability of success. And X denotes number of successes. So what is next one? 2 success. Probability of 2 successes 0.0506. Okay. So what is the meaning of P of x? P of x is NCX P raised to x Q raised to n minus x, where x is equal to 0, 1, etc. up to 6. So P of 1 means NC, that is 6C1 P raised to 1 Q raised to 6 minus 1, that is 5. It is 0.28336. Then this is P of 1. And what is P of 2? It is 6C2 P raised to 2 Q raised to 6 minus 2, 4. It is 0.0506. Okay. So let it be equation number 1 and 2. Now we can divide these two equations. 1 divided by 2 cheyidalo. 6C1 is 6P Q raised to 5 divided by 6C2. What is 6C2? 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. That is 15. p square q raised to 4. It is 0.28336 by 0.0506. And if you simplify this one, 6 by 15, it is 3 by 2 by 5. Okay, dividing by 3, 2 by 5. P by p square, p in the denominator, q in the numerator. It is, what is this fraction? If you divide this fraction, we are getting 5.6. Okay. So 2q is equal to 5.6 into 5p. Okay. So q is equal to 5.6 into 5p divided by 2, or 2.8 into 5. 2.8 into 5 is 14. So it is 14p. Okay, q is equal to 14p. And we know that p plus q is 1, or q is 14p. So 14p plus p is 1. That means 15p is 1. So p is 1 by 15. If p is 1 by 15, q is 1 minus 1 by 15. It is 14 by 15. Okay. So n is 6. Then what is the question? Find the mean and variance. Mean is np. It is 6 into 1 by 15. That is 6 by 15. And what is the variance? It is npq, or it is 6 into 1 by 15 into 14 by 15. It is, we can divide it by 3, 2, 5. So 28 by 75. So variance is 28 by 75. Okay.